I was a freelancer for almost 5 years and it was an extremely rewarding journey. But at the same time, freelancing is not easy. And today, in this video, I'm going to be talking about 6 harsh truths about freelancing that most people will not tell you. And of course, not just that, we'll also give you possible solutions to all these problems. Number one, lack of stability and job security. We all know that freelancing is extremely unpredictable. Sometimes you have tons of projects that you can't even take all of them, and sometimes you don't have any projects at all. This causes a lot of anxiety because you never know a lot of times where your next big project is going to come from. There are two solutions to this which helped me a lot and are also helping me now run my agency. Number one, try to crack retainer clients that give you repeated work month over month so that you can predict your revenues going forward. In return of them giving you a long-term project, you can always offer them discounts to loop them into this ecosystem. It's a win-win situation. Number two, this is highly underrated. Start a referral system. Whenever you have more work that you can possibly handle, refer the clients that you cannot handle to other freelancer friends of yours. During this process, you can charge a 5 to 10% referral fee for referring that client to your freelancer friend. A lot of freelancers feel extremely insecure and they do not do this. But trust me, if you form a trustworthy network, when you will do this once or twice, a lot of the people will do the same to you as well. Number two, no extra benefits. Freelancers sadly don't get any benefits such as company offsites or paid leaves or any other insurances or any benefits that a company offers. The possible solutions to this is be part of different communities. There are communities that exist today on Discord, communities that exist today on WhatsApp. There are different kinds of mixers and events that keep on happening. Keep googling different kinds of communities that you can be part of. This will make you active in the circle and potentially you can travel with them as well and learn a lot from those people. Number three, probably the most important one, difficulty in finding work and tons of competition, struggling at sales and so on. Freelancers always have to search for new clients and projects and it's just part of the job. And sadly, a lot of them, even when they're really skilled, do not find good work. Even people who find work then do not find high paying work. Now, there are multiple solutions and it is a very long topic to discuss, but a very brief way to look at it is that one mistake that every freelancer does is that they forget to define their client persona. They end up selling everything to everyone. Pick out a niche, pick out a specific service and pick out exactly who you want to sell it to. You will make focused efforts towards however you are selling, whether that's cold emailing, cold calling, cold DMs on Instagram, whatever your reach out strategy is, make sure that it's highly specific because your time as a freelancer is extremely scarce. Over the last couple of months, hundreds of people have been able to take this workshop. I'm not saying this, but the testimonials given by these students about the workshop will convince you. It is a 90-minute live workshop with live Q&A and it was earlier priced at 5,000 Indian rupees and now it is only priced at 1199. We teach you a full-blown sales framework, how to approach sales, how to do a sales sprint for you to get your first 5 clients and even beyond, give you cold reach out templates, tons of different things, a sales framework PDF which you can use and refer to even after the workshop. The link to register is in the description. You'll find more description about the workshop as well. And if you have any other doubt, you can always reach out to us. Number 4, long hours. Freelancers, unlike what a lot of other people think, have to work long hours and even sometimes longer than your 9 to 5 friends. Freelancing is a tough profession, right? You're not just doing what you set out to do, but you're a one-person company. You have to do accounting, you have to do tax planning, you have to do sales, and you have to also cater the service that you are offering. There are two solutions to this. One, set harder boundaries with your clients. Please don't reply to them on weekends. Also inform them in advance that you work Monday to Friday like somebody who works 9 to 5. Doesn't work all the time, especially with Indian clients, but try to do this as much as possible. Number 2, allow yourself to take breaks. A lot of freelancers just do not take a break. Number 5, loneliness. Freelancing is a lonely journey. I mean, it's just you mostly working from home and it's just sometimes not as exciting as working with a team or a company. Solutions to this is I used to go to a co-working space. I still do, especially when I don't have my team around me. It really motivates me. Number 6, discipline. Sometimes as a freelancer, it is really hard to stay disciplined because there's no boss, there's no manager, there are no KPIs, there are no big targets. You define your targets, you define your goals, which for a lot of people, including me, is a great thing because I love doing this. But there are days when it becomes a little too difficult. My solution to this problem is actually really, really personal. I usually reach out to these friends of mine who give me a reality check as to how important the job is that I'm doing, and they push me to work harder. I hope you liked this video and gained a lot from it. On this channel, I'll be talking about sales, marketing, freelancing, building an agency, and so many more things. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and check out the workshop from the link in the description. I will catch you guys in the next one.